Yan. The beautiful Toronto. What I love about Toronto is like the tallest building, yung mga matataas na mga buildings, and super malinis naman ang downtown Toronto. Wait, where are we? This one, and we're gonna go on that street. So I think if we go this way. Yes. Hello, downtown. Diba? Kung nakatira ka sa sa place na to, it's nice. It's nice. Maganda, oh. Like that. How beautiful that building is. So busy.